So you want to learn how to hack for good? Here are the 6 steps to get you there.
So what does it really take to become one of the good guys in cybersecurity?
It all starts with a plan. This roadmap is your guide from total beginner to skilled pro. It's all about thinking like an attacker, so you can build stronger digital defenses.
Okay, our journey starts with the absolute essentials, the building blocks of hacking.
Networking, Linux, and security principles. Seriously, mastering these 3 is non-negotiable.
First up, networking. You have to understand how computers actually talk to each other.
Next, you'll need to master Linux. It's the go-to operating system for most hackers.
This is where you learn the core concepts that underpin all of digital security.
A huge one is the CIA triad, keeping data confidential, maintaining its integrity, and ensuring availability. And you've got to know the lingo. A vulnerability is the weakness. An exploit is how you attack it.
Okay, with that foundation set, it's time to put what you've learned into practice.
The next 2 steps are all about getting hands-on. This is where the real fun begins. Here, you'll learn the actual methods used to scan networks and find weaknesses.
These safe legal environments are basically digital playgrounds where you can sharpen your skills.
Okay, so how do you take all these skills and actually become a professional?
This last step, this is what separates the enthusiasts from the real professionals.
You'll automate tasks with scripting and learn to communicate your findings clearly and ethically.
Following this path builds your skills layer by layer from the ground up.
So the question for you is, are you ready to start your journey?